Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Gerard. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Affirmations. What are affirmations and why do they work? Think about your thoughts and words you speak for a minute. What are they? Your thoughts and words are a stream of affirmations and beliefs. Every thought you think and every word you speak, you're affirming what you know about the subject and how you feel about the subject. When you're feeling depressed, you're affirming you're depressed for a variety of reasons, which are all affirmations. When you're feeling fear, you're affirming the very reason that make you fearful. If you never work at changing your thoughts or words, they will remain or become your beliefs and expectations, which will become your reality in time. You must make an effort at changing your thoughts and words, or it's the experiences and circumstances in your life that will decide for you. For without a change in thoughts, life remains. How can your life change if you don't change your thoughts and your affirmations? If your life would change regardless of your persistent fear and depression, that would mean thoughts and words have no power, which defies logic and law. What happens when you speak a positive affirmation is that you interrupt the negative thought and you focus on a new thought of what you want to experience, rather than the opposite of what you want. What God has given us is a tool to take charge of a situation in our lives. The tool makes sense because if we continue to dwell only on thoughts of fear or depression, we will remain in this state and we will eventually attract what we fear and what we're depressed about. Even if you have that thing you want, would you be happy to have it if you were dwelling only on thoughts of fear or depression? Essentially, you have two options. Allow the adversity to speak for itself and take you wherever it leads, or you can speak to the adversity and to yourself, which inevitably changes your reality. In order to change a thought, you must introduce a new thought. When you introduce a new thought, you may not believe it yet. But what happens is when you keep on repeating it, you're not thinking so much of the old thought and you're focusing on a new train of thought. We cannot have a life without thought, nor can there be a universe without thought. Since this would defy all logic and laws of the universe, how can we create without thought? Isn't every idea from thought? Doesn't all action and words stem from thoughts? Now ask yourself this: how much impact do my thoughts have over my life? If you say my thoughts have no power over the unfolding of my life, then you're saying your life is predetermined and that you have no control. What control do you have other than your thoughts? What moves you to action other than your thoughts? If you say your thoughts have partial control over the unfolding of your life, then you're saying your life is partially under your control. If you say your thoughts have complete control over the unfolding of your life, then you can say, I am in control. As we speak affirmations, we move towards the new thought because we speak about it and act on it. As before you were thinking, speaking, and acting on your old beliefs, but now you're thinking, speaking, and acting on a new belief. So next time you face a dilemma or you feel inadequate, change your affirmations and know that the very things you're affirming will inevitably become your reality. And know that the process will unfold just as you spoke it into being. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I really love this. This article was really amazing. I hope everybody loved it as much as I did. And I'm going to continue reading these every Monday at 6 p.m. Again, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.